So, ito po yung i-memorize nyo when it comes to interest po. Okay? Interest, naisulat ko ba? Interest, it's I, no? Is equals to principal times the rate times the time. Okay? So, pag nag-invest kayo, merong kita yun, may tubo. Okay? Ang tawag doon interest. Yung in-invest nyo, yung amount, that's the principal. Yung rate, yung pagtaas. No? Usually in percentage po. Tapos ito time, usually in years. Okay? Sa Bombay, kung umutang ka, 5-6, ano? Yung inutang mo, 5, that is the principal. Okay? Ang tubo, yung 1. Kasi naging 6 eh. So, 1 yung tubo. Okay? So, 1 po. Hindi 6 ha, it's 1. Okay? So, ilang percent yan? 20%. Kasi 1 is 20% of 5. Okay? Ang time, hindi ko lang kabisado. Alam ko per day, yung ganun. Pero sa computation sa civil service po, it's per annum po, or yearly. Okay? Pagka lumabas ito 3 months, okay, i-convert nyo siya into a year. And we know that in a year, there are 12 months. No? Tapos 3 months. So, magiging 1/4 year or 0.25 years po siya. Okay? So, i-convert, pag month, dapat maging year po siya. Ganun sa civil service. Okay? So, again, interest, principal, rate, and time. Yung rate, usually, percent yan. And, i-convert nyo siya sa decimal. How do you convert 20% to decimal? I-move nyo ng, let's say, 20 aalisin nyo yung percent. I-move nyo lang ng dalawang decimal places. Yun na po yan. 0.20. 0.20. That is 20%. Okay? 60. Let's say 65%. Alisin mo yung 65% kasi hindi kayo pwedeng mag-compute na may nakalagay na percent. Dapat gawin nyo siyang decimal or fraction. Okay? So, how do you convert 65% to decimal? Ilagay nyo lang 65. Alisin natin yung 65 ay yung percent para pwede natin ipasok sa equation. Okay? Hindi pwedeng nag-equation kayo tapos may nakalagay percent in there. Okay? Dapat maging decimal siya o maging fraction. The best is decimal. Okay? So, 65, no? Move to decimal places. Okay? Diyan na yung decimal mo, tapos 0. Or 0.65. Ganun po siya. Okay? 7%. 7%. How do you convert that into decimal? Ilagay natin 7. Okay? Yung percent, alisin natin. Cross it out. So, kung andito yung decimal niya, 1, 2. So, may 0 pala dito. Tapos dito yung decimal. Tapos dito yung 0. Kaya 7% in decimal term, it's 0.07. Yan po. Dalawang decimal places. Okay?